Chihuahua transport system.
I'll hop in.
What do you think, Sol? What happens if Tommy gets in?
It depends on where he puts his weight. Let's try it out. If you were to sit with your butt here,
And your legs on that
your
side.
legs over on this side somehow, like over that.
You think his legs are long enough to reach over the cubby?
Like this.
Well, I'll show you the way I mean. The thing is that if
Okay.
you put any weight over down here it'll push down on the truck and on the trailer part.
Okay, Alon, can you get your bottom in the middle a little more? Can you scooch closer to the cubby part? Why don't you have Alon sit in the cubby?
It's easier if he sits there.
Whoa! Okay, drive it. See what happens. Okay, Frankie. Come on, Tack. Come here, Tackle.
I'm going. Less uncomfortable.
Okay, go.
Not working
Alon, push those wheels down.
What?
Push the wheels down a little. Too much weight?
I just gotta inflate again.
Oh, okay.
It's not gonna get going myself.
Alon, give a little push from behind to get it started. Come on, Diddy.